Turbulence. It's one of the things that scares air passengers the most. But what is it? And should you really be afraid of it? Hi, my name is Andrew Freely. I'm a flight instructor here at ADF Airways in sunny South Florida. And we're going to explain to you today what causes turbulence and what you can do to make sure that you stay safe when you encounter it. First, what is turbulence? Clear air turbulence is just the air movement created by atmospheric pressure, jet streams, air around mountains, warm or cold fronts, or thunderstorms. Explained more simply, turbulence is just the movement of air created by weather. These unpredictable changes in wind direction are normal and expected. The aircraft that we fly in are built to withstand these forces. In fact, there's even a specific airspeed we can fly at to make sure that the aircraft's structural integrity is assured.